Hey everybody, it's Dhaval. Final night here in Istanbul. Walking the crazy streets here in the central market area district. And I don't know, kind of bummed to be going back, but I guess all good things have to come to an end. And it's been a great trip. Had a lot of fun. And just kind of walking back to my hotel right now. But I just wanted to kind of give you guys a shot of the sights and sounds here of the central area of Istanbul as I'm looking around here. It's just a really beautiful evening. We're right here by the ocean, and just got done eating some food. I actually had Indian food tonight, if you can believe it or not. I was kind of hit the level with the with all the Turkish food, so I just wanted something different. But yeah, it was good. It was really good. I scarfed it down like anything. But yeah, just wanted to kind of give you guys a shot of everything out here we're looking at in the central area of Istanbul. This is kind of the touristy area, but it's cool. It's definitely a lot of shops, a lot of places for Turkish delights and Turkish sweets if you're into that. And it's just kind of a lot of hustle and bustle, and interesting place to come and people watch. So you can see here. So anyway, just wanted to say hi, and I will check in with you guys later. And this is Dhaval signing off here from Istanbul, Turkey. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Bye.